Hey, welcome to this Slinger. Let's dive right into the mind-bending magic of compounding interest. So, here's a crazy question. Would you take 10 lakhs right now, or a single rupee that doubles daily? Rahul grabs the 10 lakhs instantly, but Aman? He quietly chooses that single doubling coin. Aman's secret? Compounding. It's a massive snowball effect where your money literally starts earning money on itself. This formula right here is the quiet, mathematical engine driving his crazy long-term wealth. By day 5, Rahul's feeling great with his 10 lakhs. Aman? He's sitting on just 16 rupees. But follow this timeline. Watch how Aman's compounding engine goes from a tiny spark to an absolute inferno. Jump to day 20. Aman's patience is paying off. His single rupee silently cost 5 lakh rupees. He's still trailing Rahul, but watch out. This compounding rocket is fully fueled and ready to explode. Day 31, boom. Arman finishes with a totally mind-blowing 107 crore rupees. The lesson here is huge. Aman's quiet patience completely crushed Rahul's need for instant gratification. Now, in the real world, money doesn't double daily, but time is absolutely your superpower. Start early, stay consistent. So I gotta ask, with your own money, who are you gonna be?